Okay, so 3 of 2026 biggest flagships are here. And honestly, only one can win. First up, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, the all-rounder. Brightest screen out there, built-in S Pen, 7 years of updates. Then the iPhone 16 Pro Max, a 18 Pro chip, the best video on any phone. You know the one. And finally, here comes the dark horse, the Vivo X300 Ultra. Two 200 megapixel cameras, Zeiss lenses, a massive 6600 mAh battery. Most people haven't even heard of it. Trust me, keep your eye on this one. Let's go. First round, design. All three feel premium, all three survive water. No issues there. The iPhone feels the most solid, but it's also the heaviest. Samsung's the only one with a pen inside, plus that anti-glare screen, which I love. And the Vivo? That huge round camera island, you'll spot it from across the room. For doing the most, I'm giving this round to Samsung. Okay, next up, the screen. And boom, the S26 Ultra hits 2600 nits. The brightest we've ever tested. It's even got a privacy mode, so the person next to you can't peek. Honestly, the public loves this one. The iPhone's display is gorgeous, around 2000 nits. The Vivo runs at 144 Hz, the highest here. But outdoors? Samsung wins, easy. Now performance, and this one's juicy. For years, the iPhone's chip destroyed every Android. Not this time. Samsung and Vivo both run the new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. On Geekbench Multicore, the S26 Ultra crosses 11,000. The iPhone? Around 8,000. Apple still wins single core and that buttery smoothness. But raw power? You know what, Android's finally ahead. Okay, the camera. The big one. The part you all came for. Samsung's got a 200 megapixel main and a 5x periscope, super reliable. The iPhone shoots the best video, no argument. But the Vivo, Two 200 megapixel cameras. A huge main sensor, and a 200 megapixel Zeiss periscope that grabs detail from way across a stadium. DxOMark puts the X300 series in the top 2 on the planet, ahead of both. So boom, this round isn't even close. The Vivo takes it. Battery, quick one, stay with me. iPhone, 4685 milliamps, 25 watts. Samsung, 5000, 65 watts. Both fine. But the Vivo, 6600 milliamps, the biggest here, with 100 watt charging that hits 50% in 10 minutes. 10. If you're always running low by evening, drop a comment, I see you. This point? Easy, Vivo. Now, software, and the long game. Apple gives you the most polished system, and that ecosystem that just clicks. Samsung gives you Galaxy AI, and a huge 7 years of updates. The Vivo's got the most features, but updates don't last as long. And you know why I'm saying this? If you keep your phone for years, that matters. So this one splits, iPhone and Samsung. So, 3 phones. And you know what? No single winner. It honestly depends on you. Want the best camera and a battery that won't quit? The Vivo X300 Ultra, the most phone for your money. For me, the surprise of the year. Want the best all-rounder, brightest screen, S Pen, top speed, 7 years? Go Galaxy S26 Ultra. Deep in Apple and you shoot video? The 16 Pro Max is still rock solid. So, which one's going in your pocket? Tell me in the comments, I read every single one. And if this helped, hit subscribe. We do these every time, no hype, just facts. Catch you in the next one.